My name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about the Windows 7 end of life. Windows 7 Microsoft product will be end of life in January 2020. They'll no longer be offering any safety updates, any security updates, anything like that in January 2020. So all computers need to be upgraded or replaced up to Windows 10 or something else. So this is coming up. A couple of things have happened this year. Earlier this year, Intel had a shortage. Processors, that's kind of the brains of the computer. There was a shortage there. And now we're seeing a growing number of back orders on PCs and laptops. I want to remind you that the whole world has to replace the Windows 7 operating system. So with this impending deadline, it's not like in a particular state or even just one country. The whole world is in the same boat. So the longer you wait, the more likely it is that you're going to run into delays, back orders, and frankly, once the supply is more and more limited, I think you're going to find prices are going to go up as well. So it's time to do some planning. Q3 and Q4 is a great time to start putting things together. Don't wait till the last minute. A couple of things. Yes, the price problem. Yes, there could be back order. But the other thing I'm going to tell you is the IT companies are going to be just slammed with people doing this last minute. So it's very important that you get on top of this. When it comes to replacing versus upgrading, here's just a general guideline, and you can give us a call for more details. So the general guideline is any machine 4 years or older needs to be replaced. For machines that are less than that, what we'll be looking at is the amount of space on the hard drive, the memory, and the speed of the processor. Even a machine that's 3 years old, if it was purchased with a slower processor, is going to be a nightmare to work on under Windows 10. So those would be the guidelines on that. For any of our clients that have not made plans to replace their equipment that is Windows 7 specific or upgrade it, if it qualifies, we would encourage you to reach out to the office and we'll be happy to help you with that. A reminder, this is not optional. I've had a couple clients just say to me, well, we're just not going to. This is not optional. For your safety and security of your network and your systems, you need to be off of Windows 7 by January 14th, 2020. Looking forward to helping you with this. Thanks for your time. Have a great rest of your week.